Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In JavaScript, the actions you can perform on HTML elements are called the DOM methods. You access the DOM using JavaScript or other programming languages and use the methods to interact with each object or element in your HTML page. The most commonly used DOM method is the getElementById method. This method is used to control an element that has an HTML ID attribute. For example, the paragraph tag with an ID equal to test. This example would use the method document.getElementById parenthesis open quote test close quote close parenthesis to find the element with the ID of test. This will allow you to interact with the element and make the changes you specify in your JavaScript coding. You interact with the content of the element using the inner HTML property in JavaScript. This allows you to get or replace the content of HTML elements. The inner HTML property is used to change any HTML element, including the HTML tag and body tag elements of your page. A simple example of using the getElementById method and inner HTML property is we have our open doctype HTML tag, the body tag, a paragraph with an ID of test. This is my test DOM method and property, close paragraph tag. The script tag, txt equals document.getElementById, parenthesis open quote test, close quote close parenthesis, dot inner HTML, semicolon, document.write, parenthesis txt, close parenthesis, semicolon, the close script tag, and the close body and close HTML tag. The preceding example shows the method getElementById and interacts with the paragraph with an ID of test. The inner HTML property tells the code to interact with the content of the element with the ID of test. The document.write statement tells the code to copy or repeat the text contained inside the element and replace the contents of the whole page with the text inside the element with the ID of test. Since the document.write statement is used to replace the contents of a page, use it carefully.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.